Hello and welcome to this Moodle guidance video. In this video today we're going to look at how we add these labels to help separate tasks on online courses on Moodle. Basically using this approach gives it better signposting for learners, and it makes it a little bit more visual and breaks the page up so learners can see what they've got to do. So in this example we've got a couple of different ones here that link to different tasks. So there's an information one, a task one and a review one that relate to different content. So it just gives us an easy way to signpost different tasks and activities for learners. So what we're going to do is show you how to use that. Now we're going to go to a test course over here, so you need to make sure that you've got your course ready and that you've got your editing turned on. Now the first thing we need to do is we need to go and find a marker or an object, an image that we're going to put at the start. Now I've used this site openclipart.org which allows you to download free graphics and images, and you just literally search in the Clipart search box to find what you need. So in this example I'm just going to use a red marker, something bright and bold, and so on. So I've downloaded that already. So you need to download the images that you want to use, and then we're going to go back to our Moodle page. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find where we want to put it. So I'm going to put it here under topic 3, and I'm going to click the add activity or resource. And the option that we need, if you scroll down, is the label. Now there is a description here that does say labels may be used to split up a long list of activities with a subheading or an image. So it's ideal for signposting, and all a label is just a text box. So we're going to click add, and it will open up a blank text box that we can insert our image into. So there we go. So I'm just going to click the expand menu here so we've got more options. And just at the very start, this is where I'm going to add my image. So I'm going to click the insert edit image button here, and we're going to click find or upload an image, and then we're going to browse for this. Now I've saved one earlier and this time it's on the desktop, so that's that one. I'm going to click upload, and we get a preview. Now when I see that preview I'm thinking, wow, that's going to be quite big. I really want to keep it quite small. So before we click insert, if we click the appearance button up here, you can see that I've actually got dimensions for this. And in this particular one I'm going to change this first dimension just to 50. And this is 50 pixels wide. And when I just click off it, it automatically constrains the portion. So I've got now 50 by 50 pixel image. So when I click insert now and then click OK, I get a small image. And then next to this I can type my thing. So task, I don't know, something like review the material below and answer the 3 questions. Okay, and I've got the same flexibility like I have in any other formatting. I can change the size and the font, you know, the formatting and so forth. So I'm happy with that, and all I'm going to do is click save and return to course. So now when that gets inserted I can see that I've got my example here. Now interestingly, you can't see the whole thing in its glory because editing's turned on, but when you turn editing off then you'll get something that looks a little bit like that. But it just means that you can easily separate tasks and activities. Now if that colour and that task label is something you want to repeat using, well, going through that process again can be quite laborious. So there are some things to help. If you click edit, you can go duplicate, and that will exactly copy everything you've created, and then from there it just means you can go in and edit the settings and change the title of the task. If you didn't put the details of the task and just put task or review or something like that, then that'll be even quicker and easier, and then you can just drag and drop these to different sections as you see fit. Thank you for watching.